Creating an eco-friendly home does not require big changes. It begins with small choices made every day. In this guide, we will walk through each room in your home and look at simple habits and swaps that reduce waste, save energy, and make life a little cleaner and calmer. Anyone can begin with these steps, even in a small apartment. The kitchen. Habit 1. Reduce food waste. Food waste is a major part of household waste. Store produce properly, keep leftovers in glass containers, and plan simple meals for the week. These habits prevent spoiled food and save money. Habit 2. Choose reusable items. Replace single-use items whenever possible. A set of cloth towels, glass jars, and reusable containers covers most everyday needs. Habit 3. Compost what you can. Even a small compost bin works. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and tea leaves all turn into valuable soil. The bathroom. Habit 4. Use long-lasting products. Choose durable items such as bamboo toothbrushes, safety razors, and refillable soap bottles. These small swaps reduce plastic significantly. Habit 5. Water-saving habits. A shorter shower and turning off the tap while brushing your teeth make a noticeable difference. Habit 6. Choose simple, natural cleaners. You do not need many cleaning products. Vinegar, baking soda, and mild soap cover most cleaning tasks in the home. The laundry area. Habit 7. Wash clothes in cold water. Cold water protects fabrics and saves energy. Most everyday clothing washes well at lower temperatures. Habit 8. Air dry when possible. Dryers use high amounts of energy. Air drying half your laundry each week makes a clear difference over time. Habit 9. Use concentrated or refill detergent. Concentrated detergents and refill bottles reduce packaging waste and last longer. The living room. Habit 10. Use natural light first. Opening curtains and using sunlight as long as possible cuts energy use and creates a warm and comfortable space. Habit 11. Bring nature indoors. A few plants improve air quality and add calm to your home. Choose easy plants such as pothos, snake plants, or herbs. Habit 12. Keep only what you use. A clear, uncluttered living area reduces the need to buy new items. When the home feels organized, consumption naturally decreases. The entryway. Keep reusable bags, a water bottle, or a travel mug near the door. This small arrangement helps you remember sustainable items before leaving the house. Energy habits for any home. Unplug devices that you do not use daily. Choose LED bulbs. Reduce heating or cooling by a small amount when possible. These easy habits keep your energy use stable without sacrificing comfort. An eco-friendly home grows from simple choices. Begin in the room that feels easiest for you. Over time, these habits shape a home that uses fewer resources and supports a healthier planet. Every step you take has meaning.